Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we're looking at a 2018 Sunseeker. It's a diesel. It's a short single slide with a queen bed. There's very low mileage on it and it has about 12 hours on the generator, so this thing's been hardly used. Let's go take a look. This 2018 Sunseeker 2400 WS is the best Class C RV under 25 feet that I've ever seen. Exterior features include plenty of storage, an outside shower, and an awning. There is very low mileage on the 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine and only 12 hours on the generator. It's very easy to drive and has plenty of power. The unit sleeps up to 6 with a queen bed, convertible dinette, and an above-the-cab bunk. This RV includes a full kitchen with all the amenities, including a refrigerator, freezer, oven, stove, and a convection microwave oven. If this one didn't quite fill your needs, I still have thousands available and I'm sure I have exactly what you're looking for. Give me a call today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day.